This is from the company. We are reviewing a island light fixture for living rooms, kitchens, dining rooms, master rooms, hallways, and more. 1, 2, or more can be hung up. They can be hung up on different levels and so forth. We'll show you the unboxing and the name of the product. FSTLCNL Fox, a provider of a chandelier square with optional bulbs not included. It's a rustic chandelier type for bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, dining rooms, and more. We're going to open up the box and show you what you get inside. Grab a screwdriver, tools, remove off any light fixtures that you are going to hang up. While we do that, we're going to show you what you get inside and how nicely they are packaged. Inside the box are your instruction guides to go over. Everything is packaged and protected by plastic, as well as styrofoam. Pull everything out of the carton and discard what is not used. For our demonstration purposes, we're hanging over here, and these are the instructions on how to set up. On the table, we have an Rustic black product. It has an adjustable cord so you can hang up in the angle you need, as well as the length. Grab one of the squares. Grab one of the bars. They have screws and bolts on each side. Now what you're going to do is take the bolt, place it into the bottom, and you're going to screw on by not screwing the bar, but screwing the bolt with an optional screwdriver, a Phillips. You're going to repeat for all the holes. With a lint cloth, please clean off any residue. Please make sure everything is square and tightened down. And all the screws on top removed. Once all removed, we have a top piece to place on, and please pay attention to the way it goes on. We have a swivel one and a flat one. The flat one goes down below. Match up the top. Do not let go, and hold and place in one bolt at a time and start to tighten down opposite ends. With the screwdriver, start to tighten down. With the tops all tightened down, secure down the bottoms if any are loose. Please pay attention to each of the poles. Cut the tie wrap, unwrap the cord, twist the leads, and snake through the first double-threaded pole. When snaked through the bottom square opening, snake through this hole. Start to screw down and start to lift with the light fixture in the center and screwing on. We have an Allen key. Please remove from the packaging. Place on to the Allen key and place on over here a grub bolt and tighten down. Once secured and tightened down, you're given 2 spare grub bolts. We have the bars. Please pay attention to the threaded bar that goes in this way. For the height of your chandelier fixture, start to thread in 1 bar at a time and screw down. Movement is allowed by so many degrees. We have a Phillips screw that we make sure is secured and tight. We're going to start to thread our bars. This demonstration we're using 2 bars to show you the chandelier, the light fixture. Bell house nuts, right angle, straighten up, and take out the bell house nuts and remove the inside bracket fixture. Put the supplied bolts and nuts, put together and hang up. A junction box is not included. Please hang up into your junction box and lock down. Test fit your box with the cosmetic cover. Feed in your 2 leads and start to secure down the top. Hook up your load and neutral and secure down. Slide up to the 2 bolts with the adjusted nuts behind and secure down with the bell house nuts. The last step is placing in your bulbs, not included. As we start to place in the bulbs, we have covers, one with a lettering. They simply slide on. As we screw on our bulbs, they take up to a 40-watt maximum, and let's make sure the bulbs are securely on before turning on. And this is what the light fixture looks like, all lit up. Adjust your light fixture according to your room and the height and the level you desire. Our rustic light fixture with each pole measures 10 inches per. This is 40 inches in height, a maximum of 60 inches. We have here a 6 40-watt LED bulbs, COB, and we have a dimension of 1 foot 12 inches by 16 inches. And this is your light fixture hooked up with additional lighting of LED recesses and your island lighting and more. You could put 1, 2, 3 light fixtures. It is a design light fixture that you can hang in different angles on a sloped ceiling and so forth. You adjust it accordingly to your desire. It is black, cross, square, and rectangular design. An open cage. Easy to clean by removing the light bulbs, by removing off the cool LEDs, and replacing them in. I hope you enjoy your light fixture if this is what you are looking for from the company. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after in a lighting fixture needs.